Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. Today in this video, I'll show you how to sign out from App Store on iPhone. But as always, before you continue this video, I hope you like, comment and subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. Well, first thing first that you have to do, you have to go to your App Store on your phone. I'm gonna open it right now. And now, in this page, you have to go to icon button at the top right in the corner of your screen. Here you are. I'm gonna open it right now. After, you just have to scroll it down to the bottom, and in the bottom you will see sign out option. Just tap on it now. Next, tap on the done button at the top right, and yeah, it's already signed out. You can check it again by tap at the account icon at the top right. Yeah, it's done. So guys, I think it's enough. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this video will help you. Don't forget to leave your comment in the column below. I'll see you soon on the next one, and good luck.